Welcome to podcast. Welcome to Bluff Creek Radio. I'm Alessandro.
I'm Roman.
And I'm Keegan. Today's special guest is
Patty Bremer from Kona Ice.
Thanks for coming in today. Mind if we ask you some questions?
No, absolutely.
Okay. How many Kona Ice trucks do you have?
I just have one truck right now, but if the business goes well, then I will add another truck at some point.
How many workers do you have?
I have 3 total. So I work in the truck, and then I have my 2 kids that work in the truck, and they are 19 and 16.
Do you have a special place that you sell, or do you go mobile everywhere?
It's a mobile food truck, so I go everywhere that the fun is. So we're a very mobile business. We go to any event, usually where kids are, like youth sports or schools or daycares or festivals, all kinds of places. But we go where the kids are.
Do you have any other jobs besides running the Kona Ice truck?
Yeah, so Kona Ice is a seasonal business because obviously it needs to be warm, and we're in Minnesota and we know it's not warm 12 months of the year here. Shaved ice actually started in Hawaii where it is warm 12 months of the year. So, but in Minnesota we get to enjoy shaved ice from May through October. It's a little cold in October, but we still sell in October. And then in the winter, I'm actually an accountant, and I work for a medical device company in the Twin Cities in the winter.
How did you come up with Kona Ice?
Well, I didn't. I didn't come up with the idea, but I liked the idea when I saw it. So it's actually a franchise, which means there are other Kona Ice trucks all through the United States. There's actually about 400 trucks in the United States right now. So they are everywhere from Hawaii to New Hampshire and every place in between. So because it's a franchise, all of our trucks look the same and the product is all the same. But that's what's kind of good about a franchise is when you start a business, that's a franchise. You already have all of the marketing, sales, product available to you, so you don't have to kind of build it from the ground up. You have to obviously get customers like I did in Minnesota, but I already had the truck ready and all the product ready to sell. So that's what the good thing is about a franchise.
What different flavors do you have in your ice cream truck?
We have actually over 40 flavors and hundreds of combinations. So we have 10 flavors that when you're a customer, you can add your own of, and you can mix and match any of those 10. So you can see how the combination of flavors is endless. And we don't let customers only put one flavor on. So if they want to do half blue raspberry and half pina colada, they can do half and half, or they can add 3 flavors if they want. A lot of kids like to add all 10 flavors from our flavor wave, but that gets to be a little much. So, but overall, we have actually 40 flavors to pick from.
Are you going to be coming up with any new flavors?
Yeah, we're actually adding 2 new flavors this summer. We're adding salted caramel, which is a new flavor, which is really good, and we're adding key lime pie. And what comes with both of those is actually what we call a cream topping. So it's kind of like ice cream in the middle of the shaved ice. It's really good. So we're adding that this summer.
Thank you for coming in today.
No problem. I'm glad I could come.
Today's radio podcast was brought to you by Bluff Creek Elementary and Eastern Carver County Schools.